All right, thank you, Tom. Well, there's no end in sight as Omicron sprints into a surge like we've never seen. We had to adjust our charts today because these record numbers didn't even fit. Both cases and positivity rates are at never before seen highs. More than 6,500 cases, and the positivity rate reached 30% on New Year's Day. We said last week this week would be the time to watch hospitalizations, and sure enough, they're rising quickly with an increase of 130 patients over just 3 days. The pressure is rising in our intensive care units. 1 out of every 5 ICU beds in Arkansas now holds a COVID patient tonight. Just 4% of beds are open. Today, Governor Asa Hutchinson shared the state's response to the rising and record-breaking case totals, and Teesville 11's Asa Hutchinson was there.
In Arkansas right now, we are seeing record COVID case surges, long testing lines, and at-home tests hard to find. Now the state leadership is responding with a plan of action.
We are entering a period of probably the greatest risk and the greatest challenge that we faced during the pandemic.
The latest Omicron surge leaves many of us with deja vu.
Previous peaks are overshadowed by the enormity of the peak that we are facing because of Omicron.
Except this time around, a faster spreading variant leaves record-breaking new cases, active cases, and positivity rate. A positivity rate estimating that 1 in every 4 people have COVID. This also leading to a strain on testing as the governor brings in reinforcements.
I've authorized the deployment of an additional 50 National Guard across the state to assist in deployment, to assist in testing.
And with that, an order for over 1 million more at-home tests with uncertain delivery.
There's a national shortage. We're ready to deploy those. We're waiting those to be delivered.
As the governor keeps a close eye on growing hospital needs.
We do have plans to increase hospital capacity if needed.
But amid the records, Secretary Romero shared that there's also something else we have most Arkansans couldn't get last January: vaccines.
You know, it's never too late to get vaccinated. If you couple your vaccination with your physical mitigation measures, you can get through this.
The governor's surge plan of action right now is more reactive to the demands of the virus, saying he's not going to enact an emergency status right now. That would give him emergency legislative powers, saying he's going to see what comes in the weeks ahead. For now, reporting from the Capitol, Asa Hutchinson, THV 11 News.
Well, there's a lot of information out there, information that changes fast. To find the very latest on COVID-19 in Arkansas, vaccine information, and the state's response to the Omicron variant, text the word FACTS to 501-376-1111.